I did a thing here. We got the hearse back to the house now. So, obviously some body damage through here that can be taken care of. Hopefully some pull will be able to get that out with paintless dent removal. But the car itself is in really good shape. There's no major body damage. There's absolutely no frame damage. There is just that one side of body damage, but the rest of it is pretty nice. A little bit over the rear. I'll get there, but it's still got the original side skirts, original Cadillac hubcaps. All of these guys are here. Nothing missing with that. The roof itself really isn't that bad. There's a little bit of surface rust, but that's not bad. The doors all open and shut. All the mechanisms work very well. The keys work. Now you can see there was a rear-ended over here as well. A little bit of rust repair over here. It looks like they actually have Bondo in there. This part here, it looks to just be dirt. I asked to see if there was any fire in there. There's no indication of it, but it makes me think that when this was hit here, that it could have had a fire there. My neighbor tells me that his friend lived across the street from this car decades ago, and it got hit numerous times on the street. So that would make sense. As for the interior, I mean, it's probably one of the best interiors I've seen for a 1970. It's hard to see, but even the dash isn't cracked. There's a lot of spider webs through here, but the headliner is solid. There's no issues with it. The seats, I mean, there's a minor tear here. That's not too bad. There is one spot under here where it looks like there's gonna be some issues, but it's really not that bad. So a little bit of welding, actually. I won't need full floor pans. Then, oh, I love that sound. Solid doors. I mean, you don't have lines like this in cars nowadays. Then we're looking at the full rear here with the pass-through window still here. All the rollers are back here for the caskets. They've got this storage panel in here. Let's see what they got in here. Huh. Tire iron, but nothing else really in there. But everything else is working. And from inside, really, it's not bad. I mean, there's a little bit of issue up there, but the headliner is in perfect shape. The back is here. Everything's great. Sconces turn on when the back door is open. It's a win, and I'm not mad at that because I think it's fantastic. It's going to be a good build.